So for our red snapper, you can use yellow snapper, whatever fish you want. This is how you clean it up. You cut off the fin and the tail.
Scrape them up. Finish scrape them up. Most of the head of and scale doing it, right? Because they ain't clean already, but if you fry them, now be a scale them on the end.
Yes.
Yeah, still have to brush them up.
So chef is, you want to tell him what you do, chef?
Well, and for right now I'm just cutting out the fin. These fish already come clean, but we can't cook them like that because when you fry them, it's going to be a scale on, mostly on the end. So each and every one, no matter if it's 50 or not, I'm going to have to clean them one by one, go down the strip before I season to cook them. And they will prepare them later on. Some are going to do this stuff and put on the grill, and some is going to fry and decorate it with onion, carrot, and pepper, vinegar, the whole stretch.
So as we go on, we show you what's going on with our fish in our kitchen. Yeah. Okay, this is how chef is cleaning up his fish. This chef is a professional chef.
But the scale is mostly on the head though, so the fish come already clean, but some people who don't know about fish would normally take this and fry it. When you fry it now, I'll be a scale all over the place. I wouldn't eat it. But right now, I take off all the scale then, use a one soap, I wash it with vinegar and I'm done, and then I go and do my thing, you see?
Yes. And then we show you already how we cut off the fins. So you don't want people to eat fish and then there's bone juking them like. Yeah. So show them how you clean
we do things professional, so we don't want nobody, we don't want to give nobody nothing when them all say, why this is nice, you know? Because it don't make we look bad, so as you can see, everything is good. One little white line always in there, so that come out, you look a blood cell part, dig out. We deal with everything clean and professional, is it?
Yes, chef. Yeah. So as we go on, we show you what's going on in our kitchen. He's about to season his fish.
Season it right here.
Yes. What you have in there, chef?
Yeah, basically when you season fish for fry, you don't need a whole lot of seasoning because salt and pepper can do it alone. But I use a little bit of adobo. I didn't really have to, but I want to because it ain't going to hurt nothing. And I keep a little bit of natural salt along with black pepper. So I'm going to season it too, but later on, when I'm going to decorate it and put other things, I'll season the seasoning itself too. But for this right now, I'll just do it, fry some, then we decorate it with pepper, onion, regular pepper, and vinegar.
That's hot pepper, right?
Yeah, hot pepper. So basically that's it for right now.
So show them how you season it, chef. Do your thing.
When you season fish that all like this, you have to make sure the main part, you put a little bit of seasoning in the middle. Then you garnish it like this, then this is basically done.
Yeah.
In our program.
You have to say it again.
The whole thing?
So this, Chef, show me how you season your fish.
Well, some people it's different. Because to fry fish or when you're frying fish, you don't really need more than some regular salt and some black pepper. But I'm a spicy kind of person, so I use some adobo mixed with black pepper and salt for the first course of it. And I'm getting this fish ready to fry, but I'm going to season all of them the same way. But later on, I'm going to make a special stuffing for the one that's going on the grill. So I'm going to season that vinegar itself with my okra, maybe some crackers, you know, the Jamaican style.
We show them as we go along, chef. Show them how you season now. You put some in the middle there,
yes, in the middle first, always.
Show them another one. So first you do talk, so you can talk.
Yeah, well basically you just put the seasoning on the inside, but you just two sprinkle it on the outside also. And those are basically getting ready to fry.
Oh yes. Smell good, chef. You're doing a good job, yeah.
Thank you.
Next time we show you what's going on. Yeah.
Well, that's about it for right now. I'll show you finishing touch later on.
Okay.
With the ingredients and the chimney and everything.
Thank you.
Already.
So Chef Marlon is here and he's doing his thing.
Alright, we'll do it one more time.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Chef Marlon is doing his thing. We're gonna stuff some nice snapper. So he make his stuff in here. And what do you have, Chef?
We have corn, okra, scallion, we have thyme, onions, and garlic. You can add collard greens if you don't have spinach or callaloo.
Good, that's nice. So we want to show you after we stuff it with all this goodness. You put the butter in the foil paper and then you wrap. Yes, Chef, this looks good. And you do the bottom so that keep all the juice in. That's how we do the roast snapper fish. Subscribe and like to our videos and follow us on Instagram.
Okay, so
Snapper fish.
Point me where her pots.
The finished product of the fish, how it is nice, and Chef Marlon did a good job. I want to open it and show you how the steam is coming out of this fish. Yes, with all its goodness. Let's see. Wow, Chef, it's hot and nice. I'm gonna taste it now. I'm gonna taste a little piece and see what's going on in this kitchen. Let's see. This fish is amazing. Tastes so good. And I want to show you the inside of the fish. If you look with the stuff, the stuffing, you can eat it. As Chef said, it was a complete meal. It's nice, it's cooked. Let me try the inside.